Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Daima 1 Education Complex, where we are going to go through trigonometry. For today, we want to prove these identities. So when you are asked to prove an identity, we are just asked nothing other than ensuring that the right hand side and the left hand side is balanced. So these questions is just knowledge driven from three topic called formula and variation. So for today, let me show you how you can tackle this. This is a KNEC examination for electrical engineering, diploma, certificate, and all other engineering courses at different levels. So can we solve for question 1? We are asked to prove that cos theta divided by 1 minus sine theta is equivalent to sec theta plus tan theta. So for us to solve this question, we need to find the identity for sec and identity for tan. So for sec theta, we have 1 over cos theta. And for tan theta, we are going to have sine theta all over cos theta. So this is what we have for the tan and sec identity. So we can replace for sec and tan so that we have this equation in terms of 1 over cos and sine over cos. So we are going to have cos theta all over 1 minus sine theta is equal to, for sec, it is 1 over cos theta plus tan theta, which is, this is tan theta, which is sine theta divided by cos theta. So from there, I'm going to pick this one to come this way. You can also try by yourself by picking 1 over cos to come this way. So for my case, I'm picking this. It is not impossible to pick this, but for my case, I'm picking this. So cos theta over 1 minus sine theta. I'm going to subtract sine theta all over cos theta is equivalent to 1 over cos theta. So by the end of the day, after doing all this summation, I'm supposed to have cos theta. So can we write cos theta somewhere? 1 over cos theta as our final answer. We need to get this one. So can we solve this one? So the LCM for this and this one is just this multiplied by this. We are going to have this multiplied by this. We are going to have 1 minus sine theta multiplied by cos theta. So this one into this, we are going to have this. So if we take this multiplied by this, we are going to arrive at cos squared theta minus, we are going to take this one into this, we are going to have this one, which is sine theta multiplied by 1 minus sine theta. So by the end of the day, we are going to have cos squared theta minus sine theta plus sine squared theta all over 1 minus sine theta multiplied by cos theta. So can we also proceed and say, what is cos squared theta plus sine squared theta? We are going to have 1. So 1 minus sine theta. This is what we are remaining with. Or divided by 1 minus sine theta as the numerator and denominator, into bracket, we are going to have cos theta. Remember, by the end of the day, we need to get this one. So we are going to cancel this so that we will remain with cos theta. This is for question A. This is the answer because we wanted to find this. So can we also proceed and solve the next question? The next question was that cos theta all over 1 minus sin theta is equivalent to 1 plus sin theta all over cos theta. We need to, by the end of the day, we need to balance the equation. So for today, let us remove this cos theta. By multiplying both sides by cos theta, we are going to have cos square theta all over 1 minus sin theta is equivalent to 1 plus sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta. What next? We want also to remove this. We want to remove this one so that we have cos square theta is equivalent to, we are going to want to get 1 plus cos theta multiplied by 1 minus cos sin theta, sin theta. Can we open the bracket for this one? We are going to have cos square theta is equivalent to, what is that? 1 plus times 1, we are going to have 1. 1 times minus sin theta, we are going to have minus sin theta. Multiply this, we are going to arrive at cos plus cos theta. This is sin, this is sin theta. So we are going to have at sin theta. We are going to arrive at sin theta. So we are going to have, let us work out like this. We are going to have 1 times 1. We are going to have 1. This multiplied by this, we are going to have sin 1, sin theta. We are also going to multiply this by this. We are going to have, we are going to have this by this. Side 1, this times this. We are going to have this multiplied by this. We are going to have plus sin theta. What about this multiplied by this? We are going to have minus sine squared theta. All the day we are going to have squared theta, cos squared theta. So can we take sine squared theta this way? So if we take minus sine squared sine theta plus sine theta, we are going to have 0. So we are going to have 1 minus sine square theta is equivalent to cos squared theta. So can we take this sine theta this way? We are going to have cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is equivalent to 1. Actually, from trigonometric identities, this is right answer. So thank you for watching. What you need to do for these questions, it is that you need to identify them the what we call corresponding identities. The corresponding identities for sec, tan, cot, and all those identities. So you need to do more practice every day so that you master these identities. Thank you. Continue watching and subscribing to my YouTube channel. We will continue doing as many practices as possible so that we make these things our fingertips. Thank you. I wish you all the best.